internet. Fast Eddie again. So today we're going to talk about a tool. It's called a Rytan plug spinner. It's what we use in locksmithing for when you pick a lock. Sometimes you have to pick the lock in the wrong direction. You have to, because it won't pick in the right direction. So this plug spinner actually spins it so fast that it turns the cylinder into the unlock position without relocking the pins in the lock cylinder. And essentially, we're going to show you how it works. So as lock cylinders get older, sometimes, as you know, they'll be hard to pick open in the unlock position. So it's easier to pick them in the open position. So this is where the Rytan plug spinner becomes handy. You can spin it so fast that it actually unlocks the door. It doesn't relock on you. The Rytan plug spinner can save you a lot of time and anguish. It's a great tool to have in your pick set. Okay, so this is the tool. It's called the Rytan plug spinner. You spin the two red handles in the opposite direction of each other, so kind of like this. So what you're doing is adding tension to the spring that travels all the way through it. And you turn it, and then the shafts actually will, if you put pressure on it, will slide into a slot. You'll hear a click. There we go, small click. And there, it's ready to go. You hold this end of it, not that end of it, but when you put it in the lock cylinder to spin the plug, you hold this end and push the button on the end, kind of like this. So it spins it so fast that it doesn't allow the lock cylinder to relock. So that way you don't have to pick it again. So that's how our Rytan plug spinner works. So thank you for joining me today. This is Fast Eddie, your favorite locksmith. You guys have a great week. Thank you.